In the past, a lot of people would have to buy products, which is still good to buy the product and get the samples and see what it's like. But I usually don't do that until you have a winning design, and then you want to make it even better, take it to the next level with even better images. But in the past, you kind of always had to do that, or use these real kind of janky sites that would put the image on a model, and it didn't really do a great job. But now there are AI tools, and Gelato has them baked in. It's called Magic Mockups. So if I go to Magic Mockups, it's just an AI prompt. So I could tell it what I want for this product. Do I want it to be a flat lay on some grass? Do I want somebody to wear it? So maybe this one, let's just go for like the classic suburban dad look here. Generate a mockup, and you get 10 free mockups per day. So we'll use one here. If we don't like it, we can just tweak that prompt. But you can do a lot of things. You can have models wear your shirt. You can have a flat lay where it's on a table or something like that. You can really have multiple people in the same image. There's a lot of things you could do. So this one, it looks a little bit AI generated, but I think it's close enough. So I'm gonna add this mockup anyway. Close enough, I like it. We also, by the way, Gildan 5000, clearly we have a lot of other mockups that already come with this. So let's see, like this one right here, looks like, honestly, pretty good. I'm gonna add all of these. So we can select the ones we like. I'm going to deselect just the oh, actually we have that. That's good. I want the design. And when you hover over them, you can choose which ones are actually the primary design. Okay, by the way, remember how before I said you can upgrade to Gelato Plus and Gelato Gold? One of them, Gelato Plus here, gives us access to some of these better mockups. Not the AI one we have down here, but you can see we've got some free mockups and we've got these up here. So some of these mockups are pretty solid, and you don't have to worry about typing in the perfect prompt to get it done. And if you want these, you'll see they have the little like purple crown next to them. That means you need Gelato Plus to actually use those. So I'm gonna go with a couple mockups here. Let's say we want this one. And whichever one you like the most, you can hover over it. So maybe this one, for example, and you can just click on Make Primary. And once you do that, that's gonna be the main image everyone sees when they see this product.